find it also super interesting that as a marketplace, you're seeing the needs, kind of the performance, and getting that direct feedback. I'm super interested to see how that directly then is kind of a feedback loop to improving, Nano Academy and the education.
Yeah, for sure. So we always say that Nana is a deep job vocational school platform driven by a marketplace. And it's exactly what you're saying, right? The the most important thing for us back in 2019 when Oliver joined, Oliver is, in my opinion, one of the best 10 engineers in the world. He joined Uber as he joined Yelp first as one of the first 15 engineers, was engineer manager, was at Yelp for 5 years till the IPO, then joined Uber as head of infrastructure back in 2012 when they had only 100 employees, built a team of 50 people, and left 5 years after when they were 10,000 employees, retired for 2 years, and then joined Nana. But what was the most important thing for Oliver when he joined is really build the right KPIs to give us the visibility into how to build a more healthier balance between supply and demand on a skill level. I'll give you an example. With Uber, like you have more than 100 million people in the US. Actually, it's more than 150 million with the skill of driving, right? They have a driver license. And the experience is about the same. So driver A and driver B, yes, maybe one of them has a car that smells better and has a bigger smile, but at the end of the day, it's the same experience. That's absolutely not the case with Nana. In the Nana world, you send a technician, there's 7 main skills: washers, dryers, refrigeration, and so on. And then when you send this technician to the consumer home, the technician, he or she, still need to figure out which one of the potential 12 to 20 problems, depends on the appliance, is the right one. And then they need to start, you carry on the support cost for the duration of the job, because then they need to order parts. So the marketplace need to tell you what's the fulfillment on a specific level on each skill. And you can take it even further, like what's the fulfillment level in each skill in each brand. Because the refrigerator skill, you have refrigerators of Miele, which are very different than refrigerators of Whirlpool, KitchenAid, or Bosch, and so on. So you really need to build liquidity into these service / brand types, which makes it much more challenging. And of course, Oliver is built a technology where you can have more predictability of what kind of supply we'll need into this marketplace. And that's what makes it more so challenging. And this is why we are also so excited about the potential of network effects, because when you build this liquidity on the specific skills that are, it's an output from the marketplace of what's the need in the market. So then, of course, you offer a level, an order of magnitude of quality that nobody really can compete with you. And this is where, when we get to this sweet spot, there is no way back, which you basically just won the scale and won the game.
Awesome.